The worst boss I've ever had. It probably is the boss I had when I was doing commodities. I'm not going to mention any names, but he was like this raw super sales guy. It was more of a boiler room than it was an investment firm. So every single morning we would get everyone into the bullpen area and he would fire them up, and then he would talk about what commodities we were pushing that day, what our goals were, why we're there. And he would try to make it seem like we're helping people, but most of the people were losing money. And it was kind of just a scammy, shitty business. I mean, it was really, really rough. And this guy was driving the latest car, flashing his millions of dollars that he was making from all of these people calling and basically hurting people. I absolutely felt destroyed by it. But it was eye-opening, because to see that type of personality, that's still to this day like why I don't like someone like Grant Cardone, right? Like, he's just a scumbag. He's that raw sales guy that's selling bullshit dreams. You got to find someone that's really legit, that has done it, proven it, backs it with data. It reminds me, Grant Cardone reminds me of that boss. He's still to this day my least favorite boss.